Hi, my name is Susant and I am going to cover top 5 IDE for web development in this video. Let's start. Let me tell you if you don't know about what is IDE. IDE is an integrated environment or software for building applications that combines common developer tools into a single graphical user interface. So, what is an IDE used for? So, the IDE is used for editing the source code, syntax highlighting, autocomplete, building executables, and debugging. So IDE contains the utilities that automate simple, repeatable tasks as a part of creating a local build of the software for the use by the developer, like compiling computer source code into binary code, packaging binary code, and running automated tests. And IDE is used for debugging also. Debugging is a program for testing other programs that can graphically display the location of a bug in the original code. So now let's move on. Nowadays every application, websites, machines are more friendly with an awesome UX UI, that is graphical user interface. So it is necessary to upgrade us by using a user friendly and awesome UX IDE. Now this is not the time using the notepad for developing our websites. This is 2021 and I am going to cover the top 5 IDE for web development. So in this video, I am going to cover the top 5 most demanding IDE in the market for web development. So in the number 1, there is Visual Studio Code. If you don't know what is Visual Studio Code, let me tell you. Visual Studio Code is one of the best and most demanding IDE in the market. It is made by the Microsoft team which supports in Windows, Linux, Mac operating system. Due to its awesome features like syntax highlighter, image abbreviation, useful extension, snippets, code refactor, and user-friendly environment, it is the most using IDE. Near about 14 million people daily use VS Code. VS Code features include support for debugging, syntax highlighting, intelligent code compilation, snippets, code refactoring, and embedded Git. User can change the theme, keyboard shortcut, preferences, and install extensions that add additional functionality. So in the number 2, we have Atom. Atom is an open source project as well as one of the best IDE for web development launched by GitHub. It is a cross-platform software, supports for plugin written in JavaScript, and embedded Git control means you can push, pull, commit etc. here for easy, as well as you can write HTML, CSS, JavaScript code, but it has less plugin compared to the VS Code. So moving on, we have Sublime Text in the number 3. So Sublime Text was built by John Skinner. It is a product of Sublime HQ Pty Limited. It is a cross-platform software. It supports HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python. Its user interface is decent and attractive. Well, Sublime is a text editor, but then also it's famous due to because its features like code auto completion, quick file navigation, command palette, auto indentation, and etc. Sublime Text is a commercial source code editor. It natively supports many programming languages and markup languages. User can expand its functionality with plugins, typically community built and maintained under free software license. And in the number 4, we have PyCharm. PyCharm is a modern IDE used for more Python, web development, data science, launched by JetBrains. It provides powerful features to ease your work with syntax highlighter, structure validation, auto-completion. It supports HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js, etc. The most important part is that it is awesome for beginners. You can write both front-end and back-end in it. So PyCharm is an integrated development environment used in computer programming, especially for the Python language. So in the number 5, we have PHP Storm. PHP Storm is a product of JetBrains. It supports HTML5, CSS, Sass, Less, Stylus, CoffeeScript, TypeScript, image, and JavaScript with refactoring, debugging, and unit testing available. All features in WebStorm are included into PHP Storm with full-fledged support for PHP and databases, SQL support, added on top, but it is not free. So these were top 5 IDE for the web development. I have taken this list on the basis of developing our websites and for the web developers, not for other context. So the most famous among all of these is VS Code, because due to its extension provided beginner friendly, auto code completion, code beauty and many more. And I know that many of you use VS Code. Let me know in the comment section that which one is your favorite IDE for web development. On that note, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next video with some interesting collection.